Now we will discuss the same portion, that is issue of debentures for cash. At premium we discussed, at par also that is the same entry. Now we will discuss when it is issued at a discount, that is a new entry. Just take the basic entries that you wrote. Yeah, here. Yes, so if it is issued at a discount and if nothing is mentioned, just like premium, discount will be collected with the allotment, or it will be opened with this allotment installment, and discount must be opened with the term percentage debentures. With the same entry you will be writing the discount account, but only thing is premium we credited because we are getting an extra money. 100 is face value, we got 120, we are getting an extra money, so that 20 we are crediting here. But if it is discount, when the company is allowing a discount, that means it's kind of a loss for the company. For you it is a loss, so discount on issue of debentures must be debited. Discount on issue of debentures is a kind of capital loss for the company. Capital loss means loss incurred when you sell a fixed asset or a capital asset. Like suppose you were having a building of 2 lakhs, after 5 years you sold it for 5 lakhs. Sorry, you sold it for 2 lakhs is what I said no in the beginning. Okay, you sold it for 1,50,000. That means you are having a loss of 50,000. That is called a capital loss. So discount on issue of debentures, what you have to remember is discount on issue of debentures is a loss. You are allowing, it's a loss for us, for the company, and it must be, losses must be always debited. So here you have to debit it. I'll write the entry once again. You just write these 2 entries, give the heading issue of shares at discount, and the entry what you have to write is nothing is mentioned, we will write with the term, with the installment, allotment, and this is how you have to write. Discount must be debited. Discount on issue of debenture allotment account debtor, discount on issue of debentures account debtor to percentage debentures. If it was premium, you will write to SPR. If it is discount, you must write discount on issue of debentures debtor. So debited being a loss. Then you have to receive it. That time the same entry will write bank account debtor to debenture allotment. Bank account debtor to debenture allotment account. Okay. Page number 9.12, illustration number 5. Yes, we will do that question now. X Limited issued 20,000 debentures at a discount of 4%. So that 4% you must compute on the face value. Face value is 100. So 100 into 4 by 100. The discount is 4 rupees. And what will be the issue price? Issue price is 96. That is, did you understand what I am saying? Previously we added because that was a premium. Now it is 100 into 4 by 100. 4 is your discount. Discount means you have to less. So 100 minus 4, issue price now will be 96. Okay, this is what we are collecting, the 96. 30 on application, balance on allotment. Since nothing is mentioned, discount will be opened with allotment installment. So 30 on application, balance on allotment means what's the balance? 96 minus 30, it is 66, which includes the premium of 4. Okay, then yeah, that's all the split up we wrote. Then debentures are redeemable after 5 years. Redemption meaning is repayment. After 5 years, the company has to pay the amount back to the debenture holders and you can get your debentures back. Repayment is known as redemption. past journal entries for issue and writing of discount. See, we have opened discount account, no? Where did I write that? We debited discount on issue of debentures, isn't it? I don't remember where I wrote. Okay, we have debited that discount account. So writing off means cancelling that account we debited. So that we have to credit. We will come to that topic later. So this question we will just write the issue entries. Writing off entry we will study later and do. Okay, so in the illustration answer they have writing off entry. For the time being you need not write that. Now we will write the journal entries. Is it oversubscription question? Okay, nothing is there. Normal question. Give column headings. This is illustration number 5. Bank account, debtor, to debenture, application account. How many debentures we issued? 20,000 debentures, and the application is 30 per debenture. So it is 6 lakhs. Write narration. The next one is debenture, application account, debtor, to percentage here is 9%, 9% debentures. The amount will be same since there is no oversubscription. So write the same amount. The next is allotment. Allotment due entry, when you write what you have to open allotment due entry, with that you must open discount and it must be debited. Okay. Always remember SPR and discount are opened with the term percentage debentures. That means with the due entry you are writing. Discount must be debited being a loss. SPR must be credited. Either discount or at a loss you will get, or at premium you will get. So the next one is debenture, allotment account, debtor. Now we will write discount. Discount on issue of debentures account, debtor, to percentage debentures. Debenture allotment is 20,000 into what is the allotment per debenture? It is 66. So 20,000 into 66, it is 13,20,000. Then discount is 20,000 into 4, 80,000. So percentage debentures will be 14 lakhs. Now we will get the amount. Bank account, debtor, to debenture allotment account. Debenture allotment, you have to take the same figure which we wrote against debenture allotment in the previous entry. There is pro rata and all, the values will change, that also you must remember. Now it is the same. So with that, question is over. Okay, then illustration 5 is what we did now. We will work out illustration 7. Issue 10,000 debentures at a premium. 10% is the premium. So 10% on 100, that is 10 rupee premium. 110 is the issue price. 25 on application. 35 on allotment including premium, balance on call. Applications were received for 15,000 debentures, means it is oversubscription question. You have to start with working note. Allotment was made on pro rata basis. Excess application money is to be adjusted towards allotment. All sums were received by the company. Okay, so there is no calls in arrears. That's the meaning of all sums were received by the company. So here in this question we have pro rata. Sorry. What is the journal entry form? Pro rata. Previous chapter we wrote share application account, debtor to share allotment account. Now we have to write debenture application account, debtor to debenture allotment. Excess application adjusted to allotment. If it is refund, what will be the entry? Debenture application account, debtor to bank. We are refunding. Okay, reverse of the first entry. So in previous question illustration 6 also you must work out, it should be there in your notebook, don't simply copy. You must work out, that is rejection question. So which journal entry will write there? Debenture application account, debtor to bank account, and that must come as the third entry. They have written compound entry, don't write like that, you write 3 separate entries. So now we are doing pro rata question illustration 7. So we will start with the first, before that we have to do the working note. So yes, what will you write? Total application money received. On how many debentures we are getting? On 15,000 we are getting. We didn't write the split. 110 is what we are collecting. Application, allotment and first call. With application you will collect 25. With allotment you will collect 35. And with first call you will write the balance. Okay, 35 including premium is written. Premium is 10, so this 35 includes premium. 35 plus 25, balance will be 10, isn't it? Sorry, 10 is the premium only, sorry. It will be 50. 60 plus 50, 110. Yes, 10 is the premium, sorry. So 15,000 into application per share is 25. So 15,000 into 25 is 3,75,000 less actual application money, that is 10,000 into 25, 2,50,000 So this excess will be termed as pro rata since there is no rejection. So pro rata is 1,25,000. Now we can start journal entry. Yes, the first one is bank account debtor to debenture application. There is premium with allotment that you have to remember. Okay, the narration you must write. The amount you just take from your working note, the first amount you have to copy and write 3,75,000. When it is over subscription, always look into working note for writing figures. The next one is debenture application account debtor. They have written compound entry. We will not be writing compound entry. To 9% debentures. Which amount we will write? The second amount, that is 2,50,000. Second amount in your working note. 2,50,000, no second amount. Yes. The next one, it's not the pro rata entry. If it was rejection, you must write the rejection entry as third one. Pro rata, you know that it will come in between allotment due and allotment received entry. So we will write due entry for allotment. That time you have to write premium also. So debenture allotment account debtor to 9% debentures to securities premium reserve account. And debenture allotment account, how many debentures you will consider? Only 10,000 what we allotted. So 10,000 into allotment is 35. So it is 3,50,000. Then SPR is 10,000 into 10 rupee is the premium. So that is 1 lakh SPR. Balance you can write for debentures, percentage debentures. Okay, now we'll write not the receipt entry you have to write. Remember, this is pro rata question. Pro rata must come in between. So that is debenture application account, debtor to debenture allotment account. Yes, that is pro rata entry. What is pro rata figure? Take it from your question. 1,25,000. Now we can write the receipt entry. That is, there is no call scenarios here. So bank account, debtor to debenture allotment account. Can we just copy from the previous? No. In the first entry means allotment entry, you have debited 3,50,000. Here you have credited 1,25,000. So 3,50,000 minus 1,25,000, you have to write bank figure as 2,25,000. Always deduct pro rata figure because that we got already. Only the balance 2,25,000 you need to receive now. Yes, next is first call due and receipt entries. So it is debenture first and final call, no? Yes, first and final call account, debtor to percentage debentures, and the amount will be 10,000 into 50 is your balance first call. So that is 5 lakhs. Then it is bank account, debtor to debenture first and final call. That is 5 lakhs. Yes, so this is how you have to do oversubscription question in the chapter debentures. And here we have pro rata. In certain questions you will be getting rejection. So rejection must come as the third entry in such questions.